Hey there, my name's Ruth Sheridan.
And I'm Trisha Frizera.
Thanks for hopping in and taking a look at what we're doing. We actually met a couple of years ago in the online space. We're both CPAs by profession, and we were able to leave our full-time jobs and replace our income by selling products and services in the online space and on social media.
And since doing that, what we've also done is we've created a system so we can teach others how to do the exact thing that we do. And so many times as we do videos here, people want to know what it is that we do. So we really wanted to go in and share a little bit more with you about that today.
So I'm going to do a quick overview of some of our products, as is Trish. And there's actually a link in our bio that will explain in detail a lot more about these products. But basically, the first product line we sell is a skincare line from the Dead Sea. Beautiful, clean products that leave your skin looking awesome.
We also have an organic nutrition line. I love this because not only is it organic, but it doesn't have anything in it it shouldn't have. It's got the Informed Sports certification, meaning that there are no banned substances in these products. Professional athletes can use it. But it's also vegan friendly. It's non GMO, sugar free, dairy free, soy free. Pretty much anything you don't want in your body, it doesn't have.
And the third product line is actually a club membership. Think kind of like Costco, but a little bit different. There are a lot of memberships out there, and this one is special because as part of the club membership, you get access to healthcare with no copay. You get access to discounts on travel to exotic places, discounts on tickets to sporting events like Formula One and concerts like Stagecoach. And there's lots and lots of benefits to becoming part of the club. So that's the third service that we actually represent online and help people sell.
And I'm actually really excited about this club service as well because not only does it have all the things that Ruth just mentioned, but you also get your own booking portal so that you can be booking your trips and it's guaranteed lowest pricing out there. You also will find that there are trips that are already put together for you. So if you're looking to go on a vacation, but you don't have time to plan it, the good news is we've got planned trips out there that include many more things in it at a much lower price than what you could get if you were to do it yourself. So we're really excited. And like we said, our link is in the bio, and you can go check out how we make money online, where we've done a much more detailed video for you, giving you all the, really probably answering all the questions that you may have.
And the cool thing is after checking it out, if you're interested in about finding out more, just connect back with us and we can share with you how we train you to do exactly what we did.
Yes, because we have got an entire system. It doesn't matter if you're brand new or if you know what you're doing, you can have success.